Hi, my name's Mike Packer. Welcome to the Drum Channel Method.
This contemporary method has 10 courses,
Over 250 videos, and 60 play-alongs of all different styles for you to improve your playing. Whether you're just starting out in your drum experience, or you've been playing for a while, or you're even a professional and advanced player, there's definitely going to be something in this material for you to improve your playing. I'm really excited to share this project with you. I've been working on this for several years, and it's a very comprehensive method that includes hand and foot combinations, vocabulary development, styles development, and reading. So you'll learn single line reading, and you'll learn how to read drum charts. Basically, the how, the what, and the why to playing drums. This curriculum is designed so you can go through it self-paced on Drum Channel. If you're a teacher, you can certainly use it with your students, or you can even implement it into a classroom setting and use it for large group lessons. And through the Drum Channel Academy, we're going to be offering live lessons here with me, so you could even come and study here with us, and we'll guide you through the whole process. So if you're ready to take your playing to the next level, come and join us, and let's get started.